Hello everyone, Richard here from Car Sound Security. We've got a unique one here today. That is a Bentley GTC 2011, and what we've done is we've completely done a full stereo conversion on this vehicle. So we've took out the factory head unit and we put in an aftermarket doubled in Kenwood head unit with multi-functionality that's way better than the factory head unit. So what's happened is we also relocated the factory head unit controls. All the climate controls and factory specific buttons have been relocated, and everything is still exactly the same. So with this head unit, you got full Apple CarPlay support. You can use all your apps that are supported on here, as well as using Android Auto if you have an Android phone. And also we have an additional feature on this unit, which is a TV tuner that allows you to watch freeview channels. As you can see, we've got the TV running. So yeah, we can add additional functionality to your head unit, guys. So if anyone does want TV channels on the head unit, give us a shout. We can install that on top. Yeah, so we got full installation done on this car. Everything's back to normal. And yeah, so if you need one installed on your Bentley, give us a shout, guys. Thank you.